Here's a quick tutorial on the app to run the new Marantz internet type connected receivers from an iTouch or iPhone or even an iPad. You can come from your home screen and you pick the Marantz remote app, and that'll bring up, a lot of times it'll show up on the front part of this where it'll say devices. In app settings and demo mode, just choose your device, and as long as your amplifier is connected to the network, you can select your amplifier. You can rename that in the settings if you want to change it to living room or whatever. So here's the main page, what it looks like. We've got your main zone labeled here. It shows that it's on because all this is lit up. If you wanted to turn it off, you just hit that button right there on the top, and that turns off the amplifier, and it shows the status as being off when you do it like that. On the top left, you've got zones. If you select that, that'll bring up if you have more than one zone on your amplifier. So in this case, we've got a main zone and a source 2, or zone 2 I should say. You can use zone 2 for like a patio or kitchen or any other place that you've got speakers in the house. Some of the other receivers actually have a zone 3 as well. So you can turn all of them on or all of them off from the bottom of the app right here by touching that on button there. It takes a second for the amplifier to respond, but it'll show that they're on, and then it'll show what source you have selected for each one of them in the volume level. So zone 2 is on the same source, it just says source, but if you wanted to select a different source, you touch the source on the side there, and it'll bring up a list of things that are available for you eventually. There we go. So there's your different selections. You got your favorites, internet radio, Pandora. You've got different sources here, cable, satellite, DVD, your iPod, CD tuner, all that stuff's available there. So you can choose a new device. Say you chose the iPod USB that's on the front of the amplifier, and right now we don't have anything connected to it, so it shows no connection. You can go back to home, choose a new source. You can go to the internet radio, and that'll bring up some options. So you got your local stations, you can search a station, podcasts, etc. Go to the recommended stations. If you have issues, then you've got your volume up and down on the bottom down there. So for instance, if we choose local stations, you can find a station that goes in this local area. It's going to look based on the location of your network. So you select a new one, and it'll bring up the player and start it playing, and then you can adjust volume and do all you need to do from that point. That's a quick, easy how to use. When you're finished up with it, you can hit this go back and then go to the home page, and then just turn off your zones, and then that'll shut it off for you, and you're ready to start out the next time when you're ready to turn it on.